Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start inside Snapchat, so open your profile and tap your Bitmoji to launch the editor. Once tapped, choose Edit Bitmoji and the in-app Bitmoji editor opens. You'll see sections for face, hair, and outfit. Those are where color options live. Don't switch apps, stay in Snapchat for the settings to save directly. Now locate skin tone and hair color swatches, then make a quick pick. This first step gets you into the exact controls you need. Once inside the editor, choose the area you want to change and tap the color swatches. For skin and hair, you'll get preset shades. For outfits, there's often a palette or multiple color slots to tap. Make incremental changes and rotate the avatar so you can inspect tones under different angles. If a slider appears, nudge it slowly. Small moves matter. When your colors look right, use the preview to confirm consistency across face, hair, and clothes before saving. Finish by tapping Save or Done so Snapchat writes the new avatar colors to your profile. Once done, check your profile and a snap to confirm the update propagated. If the change doesn't appear, make sure your app is up to date, then force close Snapchat and reopen to refresh the cache. If that fails, log out and back in, or reinstall the Bitmoji or Snapchat app to clear stuck data. One key tip: always save inside Snapchat, not only in the Bitmoji app, to ensure propagation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.